Hello, in this video we'll measure the voltage of the battery and on the alternator to check if the alternator is charging. When the car is running and the alternator is charging, the voltage should be around 14 volts. Now we'll start the car and we'll check the voltage first on the battery and then on the alternator. The battery on this car is in the baggage compartment, so we'll use a positive cable that's coming from the battery all the way to the front of the car, and we'll use somewhere on the chassis to get a ground and see what the voltage is. With the car running, the multimeter is showing 12 volts. That means the alternator is not charging. Now we'll check the voltage on the alternator. The voltage on the alternator is also 12 volts, so that means that the alternator is not charging.